Hey everybody, it's Eric Merlin here at Pete's RV Center in Mountville, Pennsylvania. I'm coming to you to announce a great event we have coming up. It's the first of its kind. We're doing an RV show, an off-lot show at the Park City Mall outside the old Bonton in the parking lot. We'll be there from this Friday, the 10th of June through the 20th of June. Every day, Monday through Friday, we'll be there from 9 till 7, Saturdays and Sundays, 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. We'll have all kinds of new units there. We'll have Class A's, diesel pushers, Class C's, Super C's. We'll have B vans. We'll have travel trailers. We'll have fifth wheels. We'll have everything from North Points to Eagles to White Hawks to micro travel trailers. They'll all be there. And again, that starts this Friday, June 10th at 9 a.m. till 7 p.m. at the Park City Center, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Come on out. Why wait to Hershey? Why pay those higher prices for all the price increases? Come get them now. This month, June 10th through June 20th. Pete's RV Center, Park City Center, Lancaster, PA. See you there.